كده ياكل الحرام
نديله البيت
Open it up, reach inside, and there's actually an Egyptian artifact.
Now watch, all I have to do is just rub. And it looks like, and the bottle will magically refill.
Wow, how'd you do that?
Magic Nile water of invisibility.
Is it? No. I think I messed up. I got too many cards. There's a whole deck in my pocket, except for your card over here.
How we do this? You are very fast, my friend, okay? You're very fast, okay?
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today we are here in Cairo, Egypt, and I'm showing you 7 Egyptian magic tricks. So if you're ready, join me in exploring some ancient Egyptian magic secrets. Many amazing magic tricks originated right here in Egypt, from the classic cups and balls trick to the classic Sphinx illusion. Egypt is home to a rich history and heritage of magic, so it's only right that we're here to perform some amazing illusions right here in the heart of Cairo. Here's a cool Egyptian card trick that the pharaohs would be proud of. So we have all different cards in this deck, right?
Yep.
All right, just reach in, pick anyone out you want. Perfect, okay? Show it to the camera right here. Okay, it's alright if I see it. The Queen of Hearts. Just put it back anywhere in the deck.
Shuffle.
A quick shuffle. We'll set these cards aside. Okay, watch the sand right here. Think about your card. Just like that, the box of cards magically rises from the sand. Inside the box.
Whoa, that's my card! How'd you do that?
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. First things first, you need the ground beneath your feet to be nothing but sand. You can do this on a beach, in the desert. Just need to make sure you have a few inches of sand below the surface. The next thing you'll need is a box from a deck of cards. You'll want this to be completely empty. The reason the box needs to be empty is you're going to hide a remote control motor inside. And as soon as you hit the switch on the remote, it begins to vibrate, and it will actually shake itself out of the sand. So all we're going to do is just kind of set this on the top of the sand, kind of push the sand up on the sides, just like this. Now what I did is I simply just sprinkled some sand on top like this and lightly buried a box of cards. And I took a duplicate card from the one that I forced on them and I hid it inside the box. Then all you have to do is have this remote hidden in your pocket, and when you hit the button, the electric motor inside the box will begin to vibrate, and it will actually move the sand on top of the box. It makes it look like it's just magically rising from beneath the sand. Then once it's fully risen, you can simply switch the motor off, pick up the box of cards, pop it open, and pull out their selected cards. So the beauty of this is with the remote, you can be 5, 10, even 20 feet away and make the box activate and start rising out of the sand. And that is the secret of the magic resurrecting deck of cards. This one is a trick known to magicians around the world. This is the magic Sphinx illusion. So the Sphinx principle is pretty simple. All it is a way to show the inside of a box or a rectangular structure completely empty, then with just a wave of your hand or a curtain, a way to make an object, a person, or a landmark magically appear inside. So it's only right that we're here in Egypt to show you the secrets behind the magic Sphinx illusion, because the Sphinx is right there. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull off the magic Sphinx illusion. You just need a couple of mirrors. Let me show you how to set it up. So you want to start out with your little object inside the box right in the middle. The mirrors are going to move into place right like this and meet in the middle. Now as you can see, what happens here is the mirror on this side reflects this side of the box line and makes it look like the line on the back of the box. The same thing happening on this side with this mirror. Then when a curtain comes over or a hand, the mirrors are moved out of the way to reveal the object inside and make it look like it has just magically appeared. The Sphinx illusion was first created by Thomas Tobin in 1865 to mark his 200th performance at the Egyptian Hall. A seemingly disembodied Egyptian head was contained in a box set on an empty table. The head of the Egyptian Sphinx would smile, open its eyes, and even speak. The table that the Sphinx head sat upon almost certainly contained the double mirrors on each side of the legs, enabling someone to be hidden inside and secretly operate the head of the Sphinx. The Sphinx principle is used today in many different magic tricks and stage illusions the world over, such as the modern head on a platter illusion seen here. And that is the secret behind the magic Sphinx illusion. Okay, this one is the Egyptian Book of Magic illusion. Take a look. So we actually found this book inside one of the ancient pyramids, and it has something really amazing inside. Let me show you. So all you do is take the magic book, open it up, reach inside, and there's actually an Egyptian artifact inside the book. Super amazing Egyptian magic trick that will teach you the secret of right now. Okay, here is the secret of the Egyptian magic book. This is not a normal book, and we really didn't find it in a pyramid. This is actually a specially made book for magicians that has a stretchy material put over the book. It's kind of like a stretchy spandex material, to where you can put a large object like this artifact here, this reproduction. You can put it down in the book like this, and it'll stretch out the back of the book. You can then close the front, show the book from the side and front, and it looks totally normal. Then you pull out an object that is way larger than could actually fit inside the book. It's a classic magic trick adapted for Egypt, sure to impress anyone from farmer to pharaoh. This next one is the Egyptian mummy psychic mind reading trick. Take a look. All right, Ava, so I have an ancient Egyptian magic trick to show you. We have a bunch of ancient Egyptian artifacts here. This is the key of life. I have a little Anubis here and a pyramid. So check this out. We have 3 mummies right here, one white, one gray, and one black. We also have a little Egyptian sarcophagus here, just sand inside it. What I want you to do is I'm gonna turn my back in a second. You're gonna select any one of the little mummies that you want and place it inside the sarcophagus, put the lid on, and then bury the other 2 in the sand so that I have no way of knowing which one is inside the sarcophagus. And I'm going to see if I can read your mind using ancient Egyptian magic. Okay? Pick any one of the mummies you want and place it inside the little sarcophagus. I'm going to turn my back now. Make sure you bury the other 2.
Okay.
All right, so you've buried the 2 and there's 1 inside here, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could have picked any of the 3. I feel like the white and the gray are buried somewhere here, which means the black must be inside. If the white and gray are there, you chose the black.
Wow, how'd you do that? How'd you know?
Egyptian magic. Here's the secret of the magic Egyptian mummy mind reading trick. So we're here in the Egyptian Museum of Cairo to show you the secret behind the magic mummy mind reading trick. You've got 3 different little mummies here and 1 sarcophagus. These 3 mummies are not created equal. They're actually weighted in different ways. The gray one is equally balanced, so you can actually feel it when it's inside the sarcophagus. If it's equally balanced, you know it's the gray mummy that they selected. The white mummy is weighted at its head. So when you take the sarcophagus back from them, after they put the mummy inside, you can feel the weight. If it's weighted towards the head, you know that they selected the white mummy. Furthermore, the black one is weighted at its feet. So when the black one is inserted in the sarcophagus and you feel it weighted at the feet, you know that they selected black. So you give these to your spectator, tell them to select any one of the white, gray, or black, put it inside the sarcophagus and hide the other 2 in their pocket. You leave the room while they do this. Once they've completed it, you come back in, you're able to pick up the sarcophagus and instantly know which one they select. Stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to win the mummy mind reading trick. And that was the amazing secret of the Egyptian mummy mind reading trick. This next one is an amazing Egyptian illusion with water straight from the Nile River. Take a look. So for this trick, we have some water from the Nile River in Egypt, and we also have a picture of the Egyptian god Thoth. He was the god of writing and magic. So here's what happens. We take the water from the Nile, which Egyptians believe has magical properties. So watch, all we have to do is take the picture of Thoth, we dip it down in the water, and the water of the Nile makes the image completely disappear. So the image of Thoth is really gone, and then watch, all we have to do is remove it from the water of the Nile and it magically reappears. Everything can be handed out for inspection, and your audience can even try it themselves. Okay, here is the secret of the magic Nile water of invisibility. That is so cool. That looks just like a completely empty plastic sleeve. But it's not. This is all thanks to this little plastic sleeve and the little tiny amount of air that's inside it. When this dips down inside the water, it really looks like it just magically disappears. Then when you pull it up, it looks like it just reappears. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to give this away to 1 lucky comment in the comment section so that you can do this at home. home. So all you need is a little bit of water. It doesn't have to be water from the Nile, but it certainly helps. You can put a picture of an Egyptian god. You can put a playing card in this plastic sleeve. Then all you have to do is dip it down in water, and the refraction of light going through the water and through the plastic sleeve right here makes it look like it's just completely empty. You can actually view this all the way around 360 degrees, even from this side. The magic is in a very thin layer of air that's trapped inside the little plastic pouch. The air turns the inside of the pouch into a kind of mirror when you look at the water at a certain angle. What you're actually seeing is the reflection of the inside of the cup. Scientists call this the principle of total internal reflection.
And that is the secret of the magic Nile water of invisibility. Hero of Alexandria was a scientist, inventor, and writer about magic who lived in the Egyptian city of Alexandria in the 2nd century AD. He invented many of the amazing magic tricks that we know today. This one is no different. This is Hero's never-ending bottle.
So you take the bottle, pour it out until it's completely empty. Turn it over, give it a magical wave, and the bottle will magically refill. You can actually do it again, just wave again. Pour it until it's completely empty. And it'll just magically refill again, and again, and again, and again. This is Hero of Alexandria's secret magic never-ending bottle. Just continually refill itself no matter how many times they empty it.
Here is the magic secret behind Hero's never-ending bottle of water.
So you can actually set this one up at home pretty easy. All you need is an opaque bottle. A bottle from something like hydrogen peroxide works really well. And then you need a plastic tube like this. You need it cut diagonally at the bottom. You want the tube with the diagonally cut end to fit perfectly down inside the bottle, just like that. Now, if you don't want to set this up at home, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be giving this bottle away to one lucky comment. Your next step is to poke a small hole in the back of the bottle right here at the top. And our last step is to fill the bottle with water. Now, before your performance starts, place your thumb over the hole, making an airtight seal that's going to keep the water inside. Then when you dump the water out, it will empty the water that's in the middle of the tube. So you've let it pour, it will completely empty out. Now you can tilt the bottle back over, and when you let your finger off, the water will instantly refill the middle of the tube. You can then place your finger back on and pour it again. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, and the bottle will magically refill. You can do it really like a good 10 or 20 times before it'll completely empty out. So you can actually fill shot glasses, fill someone's drinking glass, fill your own drinking glass throughout your performance, and the bottle will just magically refill over and over again.
And that is the secret of Hero of Alexandria's magic bottle of water. Okay, this one is the magic Egyptian bead trick. Check it out.
Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with this ancient Egyptian necklace. So see the little Egyptian bead there? I'm just gonna hold the bead in my hand just like this. I'm gonna close my fist around it, okay? If I turn my fist down like this, I want you to take a piece of string from each side and tie them in a knot on top of my hands. Tie whatever you want, a standard bow or a knot, whatever you want to do. A nice knot there. Now you grab the other two ends of string here, so on either end, just like that. All right, you holding them tight? No way I can get through there, right? Now watch, all I have to do is just rub. And it looks like the bead comes right through the knot.
How'd you do that?
Here is the secret of the magic Egyptian bead.
Egypt is known for having some of the most beautiful jewelry ever crafted since the dawn of civilization. Beautiful bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and beads. Here is the explanation to the magic Egyptian bead trick. So this is actually really simple. Just a little bead, and you can make one of these at home, or you can win this in the giveaway at the end of the video. So all you do is have two pieces of string, just like this, and they're actually separate from each other. These are two different loops of yarn, each about 1.5 feet long, and all we're gonna do is loop it over like this, take the little end of the yarn, and just put it right up through the bead like this, until it pokes out the other side. So now you have this little loop coming out of the other side of the bead. You're then going to take the loop of the other piece of yarn and slide it through that loop, just like that. Now you're going to gently pull the loops back inside the bead, just like that. Now it looks like we have two separate pieces of string running right through the middle of the bead. Now all you have to do is find a willing participant, find an audience member who's willing to help you out with this. You're gonna put the bead in the middle of your hand, close your hand around it, and have them tie a knot on the top of your hand with one of the pieces of thread. So we're gonna grab this piece, going to tie a knot right there, just like that. Now they're going to grab the other piece, you have them holding with both hands, and then all you do is pull, and the bead magically comes off the yarn. Super easy trick, fun to do, and it's been around since the time of the pharaohs.
And that is how you do the magic Egyptian bead illusion.
Oh,
Open, open. It's good. Woman. It's
All the cards different? See?
Yes.
Yes. Say stop whenever you want.
Okay. Stop.
Here?
Yes.
Second, see?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Camera see? Goes inside, watch. Jump. Out of the deck, watch.
ازاي دي؟
That's it?
ايه ده؟ ازاي ده؟
Watch me put it
How?
back. Try one more time.
Okay.
Touch anyone? Anyone you
Yes.
want?
Yes.
Take. Show. See? Right here. Now, do you know how many cards are in the deck?
Yeah.
How many?
كام دول 32؟
Actually, it jumps out of the deck back into my pocket. Look. Is that the card?
Okay.
Was that it? No?
No.
Hold. Look. Is that it?
No.
I think I messed up. I got too many cards. There's the whole deck in my pocket, except for your card over here.
ايه ده؟ How you do this? You are very fast, my friend. Okay, you're very fast. Okay. Okay, for this. Okay, I give you some gift for you.
Alright guys, that is it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the Magic Egypt props from this video. So if you want to perform these Egyptian magic tricks at home, all you have to do to win is give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and be subscribed to this channel. Alright guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send a private email to this email address, heaveneratv.giveaways@gmail.com, to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Alright guys, we are on our world tour right now. You can click the vlog channel right down there, subscribe to that too to follow along. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. From here in Cairo, Egypt, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out another episode of How To Magic right over there. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.